Let's cover a simple Excel shortcut that adds number in columns and rows. To sum values in the column, just go to the bottom and use the shortcut key Alt equals. That's automatically going to give you the sum function. All you need to do is press enter to sum values in the rows. Do the same things Alt equals. It's going to figure out where your data is. You just have to press enter. I'm going to show you a trick if you want to get the sum in rows as well as columns. You just have to highlight your data, or I'm gonna do that quickly using the shortcut key Ctrl A, and then hold down Shift, use the arrow key to select on additional column and the down arrow key to select on additional row. Now check this out. I'm gonna press Alt equal and I'm gonna get the sum on both sides. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time.